Very good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. So before we starting this session, this is a standard disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NASM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So US market has been closed on the higher note yesterday after the Jerome Powell, US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell has given a statement regarding rate cut. So that's the reason, as well as the tech stocks has been gained, and because of that reasons, US stocks has been recorded all-time high. And European market, it's trading on the positive note. DAX Germany is on the positive note, but however, France is on negative note. There is a news coming from France, and Asian market is trading at nearly on the positive note. However, Hang Seng and Kospi is trading nearly on the downside. And Gift Nifty currently trading at 540 kind of level. So it's a kind of muted note kind of opening for Nifty 50. So coming to the key news, US market has been closed higher and supported by tech stocks, and Dow closes first time around above 45,000. And Federal Reserve Chair Powell said US economy isn't strong enough to move carefully on rate cuts. So he's hinted about regarding US economy as well as rate cuts possibility in the coming days. And France government collapses after losing the confidence vote. So there is a shift in power. And coming to the domestic market, ICICI Bank officers searched by the Maharashtra GST authorities. Three of the ICICI Bank officers have been searched by the GST authorities. And Vodafone Idea board to meet on December 9 to consider raising up to 2,000 crore. And the PG Electroplast launches a QIP worth of 1,500 crore. And that's the indicative price is at around 690 to 699 per share. And Bondada Engineering backs worth of 108 crore point from Bihar Renewable Energy Development Agency. And Bharat Forge, which is manufacturer of Class 8 trucks and launches a QIP, sets up four price around 1,323 per share. And Torrent Pharma to acquire three antibiotic brands from Boehringer, and it's regarding anti-diabetics. They are already having a lot of antibiotics, diabetic brands, and they are strengthening its uh, in that kind of segment. So cues from the derivative data. Nifty's PCR is strong. It's above 1, and max call OE is placed around 25,000 and followed by 24,800. And max put OE is placed around 23,500 and 24,000. And if you see on the Nifty daily chart, so this is a Nifty daily chart. And if you see the chart of Nifty daily after in the last week, especially in the last Thursday, on the last expiry week, it has does that retested that low of the which candle which formed on the November 22nd. And after that low, it has tested that level. And however, from the last four trading session, it's trading at higher high, higher low price formation. And also, if you see, there is a downward sloping trend line which is connecting the highs of November. So November price action data, there is a breakout which happened on Tuesday. And also, if you see, observe carefully, this is a 50, red color line, which is a 50 DMA. And in yesterday's session, it has touched that 50 DMA line, and there is a profit booking at the higher level, and it formed a doji candle at the end of the day. So what it indicates is there is a after the last 4 days of rally, there is a slight profit booking, and right now there it is a resistance at around its 50 DMA. So 50 DMA will be crucial for coming session. So once it crosses and holds that 50 DMA, it may go up to 700 level. which is a 100 DMA, which is placed around that level. And on the downside, support is right now support is placed around that this breakout level. So that is around 300 to 24,000 to 300 to 50 level, which is a breakout level for Nifty 50, which is a 1 month price action. And if that level also breaks, then we might see on the coming down towards the it's 21 DMA. So today's expiry and tomorrow it's policy which is coming from the RBI. So there is a if there is a anything direct indicates, so it will be coming from the RBI. So whether it is a interest rate cut or whether they may not cut the interest rate. So it's totally depends on the RBI's MPC commentary as well as meeting whatever the announcement they are going to make in study. So that is going to be a key in the next coming session for Nifty 50. So watch out for levels on the upside. It's a 50 DMA as well as 24,700, and followed by on the downside 24,300, and followed by 24,000 kind of level is a key support for Nifty 50. So thank you for watching the this our webinar, and I would like to invite you all for today's evening session, which is will be taken care by Market Smith team. So thank you for joining this session.